How to create your own league in FPL. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to create your own league in FPL but do not know the idea, here let's get started. First of all, log in into your FPL account or application. Once that is done, tap on the fantasy option which is on the bottom center. After that, scroll down a bit until you find leagues and cups, under which tap on configure leagues. Clicking on it should take you to another page from where you have to select the option Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. Here you can either join a existing league or you could select the second option which is to create a new one. There are two basic league types to create. One is the classic scoring, another is head-to-head scoring. Just tap on the one that you want to create. Tapping on it should take you to another page whereby you have to create the invitational league. First of all, provide a league name, scroll down a bit, and there is the option to save and create. Once you do it, you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. If you have got any queries regarding it, make sure to drop it on the comment section. Till then, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.